Hi friend, this is Tapos and welcome to this course ChatGPT Prompt Engineering Mastery. So first of all, I want to thank you that you have taken the first initiative of learning. So you have taken the right decision of learning ChatGPT and other AI tools. So this course will be something like it's a very detailed, informative course in the market, and I have covered almost everything about basic from basic to advanced level. So I have separated this course into two part actually. One for beginner to intermediate and another one is advanced level. So I would request you to complete the beginner to intermediate level first, practice, implement those things, and then go for the advanced level. So what you have to do, you have to just copy those things, and just you need to model those things. You need to copy it and paste it to the ChatGPT platform, and then you need to replace your requirement only. So I will teach almost everything that is till today, whatever is there. So I will update all those things. So this is actually a welcome video I have recorded. Again, thank you so much that you have taken this course. It will be very helpful for you, and in future also I will be updating all the new features and all the new things that will be updated in ChatGPT. So in this video, I will share only two things about the interface of the ChatGPT, how it looks, what are the features are there, and all those things I will show you. And another one is what you will learn exactly from this course. Okay, so those things I will just cover. So once again, thank you so much for taking this course, and I'm strongly believing that you will learn a lot of things about ChatGPT. Okay, so it will help you a lot. I don't know which industry you are in, but for every industry, it will be very helpful. So let's so first I will tell that which what you will learn from this course. Okay, so let me go to my. Actually, I did not create any presentation. Okay, any slide or any presentation I did not create. I created a notepad, a notebook type something. Then I converted that book into a PDF ebook type. So don't worry, I will provide that ebook to you also. So you will get all the details, and step by step you can follow all those things. Also you can copy and paste, and you can read also. You can do everything. So I think my screen is now visible. So what we will learn actually from this course. The first thing we will learn, what is ChatGPT. This is very important. What is ChatGPT? Then we will learn 10 most important facts about ChatGPT. I will explain. Then the benefits of ChatGPT, why you should use ChatGPT. The benefits of ChatGPT, why you should use it. Then we will learn about the prompt engineering. Then we will learn who can use ChatGPT. It is actually, this ChatGPT is for everyone. ChatGPT and other AI tools. Other AI tools I will not cover in this video. In this course actually. In the other course I will create, and you will get it. I think you will get that course also. Those things, that course will be related to other AI tools and all those things. Okay, so who can use the ChatGPT? Almost everyone, but still I will segregate who can get the best benefit out of it. Okay, then we will learn about the prompt engineering. What is prompt engineering? What is prompt actually, and how to engineer it. Okay, how to become master on it, that I will explain. And then the key aspects of prompt engineering. Okay, it's one kind of benefit. It's okay. Then the main things are there. Here you can see how to write effective prompt. That is more important. Okay, this is the basic. All those things are very basic. That benefits, who can use, all those things. This just for understanding purpose. But the actual prime thing is that how to write effective prompt, how you can speak with ChatGPT so that you can get the best result out of it. Okay, so this is for the for the beginner only, beginner to intermediate. Okay, there 30 plus modules are there, and around 190 plus examples are there. It will help you a lot. and you can just use it, you can practice it, implement this, all those things. So step by step with the example I will tell you how you can experiment, how you can get best result out of it. Okay, then how to write effective prompt, it is for the big advanced level. Okay, so there I think I have more than 100 examples I have given, and 25 or 20 modules are there. So but those things are very advanced level. So for understanding that advanced level thinking, advanced level course, you have to complete the beginner side also. Okay, so I would request you to complete the beginner first and then go for the advanced one. Then some tips and tricks I will share, and then the conclusion, all these things. So this is the glimpse of what we can expect from this course. And yeah, so we will explain details about it. So now let me open ChatGPT. So I will just take a tour of ChatGPT. It's the site is chatgpt.com. Previously it was OpenAI .chatgpt like this. So now it is chatgpt.com. So whenever you will click that link, I have given the URL in the doc file, in the ebook. So there I have mentioned the link. So it is a chatgpt.com. It is chatgpt.com is the URL. Okay, so then whenever you will open, so this kind of thing will come. Your the pretty clean interface you can see. Okay, so the first thing you will see ChatGPT. These things you will not get, delay and Canva, these things you will not get. Additionally I have added, but the first thing here you will get only the ChatGPT, this thing, and then the template. And let me it got hanged, just a minute. So yeah, so you will get the ChatGPT, Explore GPT, these things you will get. Then the down you will get template and upgrade plan. So as of now ChatGPT is free. You will get 3.5 version. So it is free to use, but there is some limitation. So per day some few contents you can generate. Okay, so it's more than enough. Few means not less than something. So it's some limitation is there, but it's good for started. Okay, so you can start with that. So the thing is, so here you can see if you click GPT here, GPT, it's actually 3.5 version I am using. It's a free version I am using, but if you want to upgrade it, the hell lot of thing you can do with plus ChatGPT plus. It's around 4.4 version 4.0. Okay, so that thing. So as of now, as you are starting, so I would suggest you to go with ChatGPT 3.5%, the free version. You are not supposed to pay anything. Whenever you will understand the when it will be required, the advanced level something you want to do, so in that case you can upgrade it. Okay, so this is it. And now one more cool thing I want to share with you. This is the Explore GPTs. So if you click Explore GPTs, lots of AI tools will be available there. So you can select that tool based on your requirement. So it will come here. Suppose I, for testing purpose, separately I have Canva, but here I testing purpose I give it here. Delay also. This is also for testing purpose I have kept it. So anyway, so here see, for writing purpose, suppose your objective is to write. For writing purpose, if you want to use, so which tools are available, which AI tools are available, you will get it here. For productivity purpose, for research and analytic purpose, for education purpose. So here you can see, suppose if I go to writing, see, for writing purpose, what are the AI tools are available. Might be free version, might be the paid version also. So I did not use it. Write for me that I used, it is not here. Okay, so write for me I used once. It is quite good, like ChatGPT. those features, those tools are there. Copywriter GPT market. So to be honest, I did not use this tool. I did not experiment this tool. A few of them I have experienced. Canva, it is from it is by default I have been using for a long time, but the other all the tools I did not experiment. Okay. So anyway, so you can play with this tool for writing purpose, for productivity purpose, for research purpose. If your objective is this, then you can suppose you are a coder, your field is programming, like Python, JavaScript and all those things. So in that case you can use this kind of tool, AI tool, for your experiment, for your testing and all those things. Okay, these things are there. So suppose so it is the pretty good. So whenever you will write some prompt now, if you don't know what is prompt, definitely I will explain, don't worry about that. So if you want to write something, you need to write here. If you write something, suppose this thing, quiz me on, suppose anything, health tips, suppose you are writing tips for weight loss. So if you are writing tips for weight loss, you have written it and you have press enter, or you can do this arrow. It's little bit slow, let me check. I don't know. Okay, so it's taken. So the thing is, whenever you will write something now, you need to write it here. So what will happen is, after writing based on your requirement, ChatGPT will responsive in this section. It will responsive. Whenever it will generate response, it will be saved like that way with a header. Which topic you have taken, like this you can see. I have used a lot, so I have been using actually. So that's why all these topics are here mentioned. Here it is mentioned. Okay. So after generating that content, now it will be by default, it will be here. Okay. So this is it. So the bullet point is ChatGPT 3.5. It's a free, so you can use it. You can. It's more than enough for testing purpose and initially starting. So it's more than enough. You can use it. And what you can do, other tools are there, other AI tools are there inside. Explore GPTs. So there you, based on your requirement, based on your industry, based on your subject, you can select that AI tools and you can use it. You can try it, how it works and all those things, you can try it. So for now, we will, for this training purpose, I will use only ChatGPT, not other AI tools. Only the ChatGPT I will use. And main thing is how you can write prompt. This is one prompt. Means what we are asking to ChatGPT, that is one prompt. And how we can master this prompt, that we will learn. This is the main objective of this course. That how we can speak with the ChatGPT. So if you know that how we can speak with ChatGPT, we can speak with any other AI tools, any other AI tools. There Bird is there, another hell lot of tools are there, AI tools are there in the market. So what we can do is we can speak with any AI tools if we learn to use, if we learn to speak with ChatGPT. Okay. So I don't know why the response is not coming so far. 1 second, refresh it. I don't know. After opening the URL, this kind of thing will come. This kind of interface will come. So the fresh and clean page will come. So there we need to write our prompt. We need to write our requirement. Weight loss tips. if you write and press enter, it will generate the response. See, the generic answer you will get, a broad answer, a generic answer you will get. So we will master all those things. For information, for summarize, this is correct, this is good actually, but we need some standard professional and to the point answer, perfect answer, accurate answer, so that we will master. Okay, so now you can see I have just written weight loss tips. So it has given a lots of diet and nutrition, balanced diet, protein control, portion control, regular meals, hydration, mindful eating, exercise, physical activity, lifestyle changes, all this for a very informative details you have given. It's more than enough. Suppose any specialist you will ask, he will not be able to say all those things at a time. But here you can see, just I have written 3 words prompt, weight loss tips. And now if you write anything like weight loss tips for 50 years old woman, so that is what we will learn, how we can speak, how we can modify our question, how we can make our question professional, so that ChatGPT can provide a accurate answer. Okay, so those things we will learn in future, but for this tutorial, for this video, what we will learn, the interface, okay, and how we can write. So we have written a prompt here. See, after generating the content here, header already, the subject line has been created. Okay, so I think now you have got pretty idea that what is ChatGPT, what is the interface, what is ChatGPT. You do not get yet, of course, but the interface of ChatGPT, URL of ChatGPT, and what we learn from this course, all these things, it's pretty much clear. So once again, thank you so much for taking this course, and I'm again saying you will learn a lot of things from this course, beginner to advanced level course. So you will get almost everything about ChatGPT. Okay, so that's it for this video. So next video we will meet and we will going forward to our course. Okay, so thanks, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.